fix YouTube restricted mode turned on by network administrator. So if you want to fix YouTube restricted mode turned on by network administrator, the first thing you want to do is open up any web browser, head over to your youtube.com. Once you're here, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the top right, and then you will have a restricted mode option. All you want to do is click on the restricted mode and simply toggle off the option that says restricted mode. However, if the restricted mode is turned on by network administrator, what you want to do is instead click on the three dots, which will be on the top right corner of your browser. And from there, you need to go and select settings. Now, from the left-hand side menu, click on privacy and security, then scroll down and select the security option. Now here you will find the option of use secure DNS, which is toggled on. After that, you will have DNS provider on the bottom. You need to go with the drop-down menu. From here, you want to select the option of Google Public DNS. Once you select this option, simply head back and just refresh your YouTube page, and the restricted mode will be successfully turned off. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.